Hey there, contractor. This is Jack. Just like you, he's in charge of a construction site. Just like you, he has a big problem: materials and equipment theft. Like you, he was losing money till he found the perfect solution: a mobile video surveillance trailer, complete with live video monitoring. All from National Video Monitoring Corporation. Did you know NVMC offers affordable rates, speedy delivery, high-quality equipment, and live video monitoring? Now Jack is happy. No more theft and vandalism. His site is well protected. Insurance claims are down. In fact, he's saving a bundle of money. You can too. Just use NVMC for maximum security. National Video Monitoring Corporation can watch your site anytime, anywhere. Call National Video Monitoring Corporation today. 866-919-9584. 866-919-9584.